fun watching them grow up, though. They teach a lot of things to kids differently now than when I was young. Like I found out I no longer sneeze properly. They reinvented the sneeze. Because when I was a kid, they taught you to sneeze in your hand and go wash your hands, and that was the end of that. But someone decided that was not hygienic enough. So now they teach kids to sneeze into their elbow, and then snot explodes from their wrist to their shoulder. And I'm told that's more hygienic. Really? That kid can't even bend his arm from that booger cast he's wearing.